Hi, welcome. My name is Larissa Cunningham, and I am an Evolve 365 learning strategist with Planet Technologies. In celebration for our Evolve's 10th birthday, we are sharing some of our favorite tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your tools and Microsoft 365. Today's tip is going to be a Copilot Premium feature, and we're going to take a look at creating Copilot notebooks with specialized resources and custom instructions so that you have a more tailored experience. So, first, we are going to start here on the Microsoft home page area where we can start new chats and work with Copilot. Along the left hand navigation, you should see a section called Notebooks. If you've never created one, there might not be any notebooks listed beneath here. So we can create a brand new notebook by clicking this plus icon. You can name your notebook and start selecting your resources right away. Once you've created that, you will start to see these listed in the most recent order of ones you've been working on. So let's click on one that I already have started. So this is a project-focused notebook, and you can see here from this screen that we're going to see a number of references that I have included here. And automatically, when I click into this notebook, we're going to get a AI-generated summary of the resources and information that are saved here in this notebook. I can have unique chats that will be grounded in these resources, but I can also attach new documents as I see fit to tailor the conversation and make sure the right context is included. But my favorite part of a Copilot notebook is the ability to create custom instructions. So if you come up here to the very top where you see the title of your notebook, you should see an option to open other recent notebooks, and in that menu, you should see Copilot instructions. When you click on this, you can update it at any time, but these are permanent instructions that are going to be included and considered every time you start a conversation in this notebook. So you can put information that helps create the background of your project, how you might want communications created, and any other restrictions or considerations that will be universal to this topic as you go along. Once you're happy, just go ahead and hit save. Those will automatically come into play when you start a new conversation over here. And now you have a tailored workspace for your projects and different ideas and workspaces. If you found this helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe so you can join us for more tips in the future. But thank you so much for taking the time to join us and learn with us. If you have any questions or are looking for more information, feel free to go to go-planet.com/evolve365, and we'd love to see what we can do to help you.